Do you know what today is?
Valentine's Day.
St. Patrick's Day.
Nope. Today is
Christmas.
Earth Day. Earth Day. So we're gonna learn how to recycle on Earth Day, okay? Because you have a plastic bin, a metal bin. In the project, you also have a glass bin, a compost, a paper bin. But because we're only a few, we're gonna play with these two only, and a water bottle. Everybody, a water bottle.
A water bottle.
A shampoo bottle.
A shampoo bottle.
A soda can.
A soda can.
So, soda can. It goes in the metal bin, or it goes in the plastic bin.
It goes in the metal bin.
Yes, excellent. Okay.
I like high five. Give me a high five. Oh. I'm the
You're the metal bin.
You're the metal bin.
I'm the metal bin.
Who wants to be the plastic bin?
Andrea.
Thank you. Yes, I want to be the plastic bin. Okay.
Andrea.
Bins. Yeah.
Okay. Who wants to be a shampoo bottle?
Oh, me.
I want to be a shampoo bottle.
No, you
I want to be a shampoo bottle.
Who wants to be a water bottle?
You tell.
I want to be a bottle.
A water
bottle.
Celine, you're a soda can.
I'm a soda can.
There you go. Okay, so if I point to Heather, say you say, I am a shampoo bottle.
I am a shampoo bottle.
I am recyclable.
I'm recyclable.
And I say, you go in the plastic bin.
Yes.
Yes or no? Yes?
Yes, I do.
Yes, okay. So you go behind Andrea. Okay, you're in the plastic bin now. And now, if I go around, I'll go around and I'll stop.
I'm a metal bin.
Oh no! If I say you to a metal bin or a plastic bin, a paper, any bin, I get eaten. Oh no! No! Okay, now let's switch. Let's switch.
Bye, bin.
Let's switch. Let's play.
Big Ben.
Show you guys. Okay. Take. And then you can go back there. Take anything you want. Yeah, just change.
Go.
There you go. Oh, damn.
Be the shampoo bottle.
Nope. You're the metal bin. Okay. Now,
Oh, sorry, I lost my shampoo.
actually, Andrea, you know what?
Oh, sorry.
Yes.
I lost my shampoo.
You go in the
sorry.
middle.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I'm scared.
Mm-hmm. You're blindfolded.
Okay.
And you turn around, stop. Choose someone and say you.
Okay.
And we'll say either I am a soda can, I am recyclable. You go in the metal bin.
Okay.
Or I'm a water bottle, I am recyclable. You go in the...
Plastic bin.
There we go.
Okay.
Now if you say you to go in the bin, we will eat you.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay. Okay. Now, Andrea
Let's go.
is in the middle.
Yeah.
Switch.
I can turn around.
Go.
You.
I am a soda can. I am recyclable. And
You go.
In the metal bin.
Yeah. Okay. Continue.
You.
No, there's no one.
You.
Oh, I am a metal bin. Ah! Okay, sorry. You go behind, and you become the metal bin now.
Okay. Oh, you're a bin.
Okay. And I'll go in the middle. Okay. Turn around. Everybody, mix. Ready? Ready?
yes, ready.
You.
I am a soda can. I am recyclable.
You go in the metal bin. Yes. You.
Well, let's say
You.
I am a water bottle And I am recyclable.
You go in the paper bin.
There's no paper bin.
Oh! Oh no! No! Ah! No. So if you get it wrong, same thing, you get eaten by a bin. Okay? Until there's only one thing left, and that thing will be the winner. Okay?
Okay.
Bye!